guys, this is Val here, and we're doing part 28. Yeah, we got the shed back from part that you might know of. I have pushed Scarlowy over there, and we got James to battle. So these are only the old entrances. Scarlowy, James, Rusty, Billy, Bill, Pumpkin, Ben, Whiff, Emily, Old Thomas, Splatter, Fearless Freddy, Douglas, Donald, Toby and the Clown Cards, and Toby. I went to the flea market. There was a track. Me and Emily car. I had to touch a switch. I think I should do something easier. Maybe a street track. Maybe like the water tower thing, where we grab a piece of track, kind of like, it's great to have food. I gotta get an actual straight piece. It's the same size as this. Exactly the size. We're gonna have to push each other off a straight piece of track. Let's start with Louis versus Jake. These engines are not allowed. And James is eliminated. Scarlowy just fell off the whole piece of clothes. They don't forget my mom. So James is eliminated, sitting under the thing. So now we got Rusty versus Billy. This is going to be funny because Billy and Rusty are both, and I did them by color order, so do not get mad at me. And the only two that do not have trucks are Old Thomas and Toby, because they only just have a coupling to use. So, and fighting each other. Oh, Rusty got stuck. Billy is eliminated, but Rusty's tipping off the track. Well, Rusty is staying on to the next round. We're going to fight Scarlowy again. Now we got Bill versus Duncan. And when I was saying their names at the beginning of this video, yes, it was the order that they were in. So Duncan. Duncan is out. Yeah, and we're actually going to fight each losing engine. Not actually, but that would be a good idea too. Maybe I might do it in that nice, but no, she's just gonna do all of the engines go and CG revolutionized engine, but Bill stays, and the trucks are going where they go. And so the ones that are eliminated now are James, Duncan, and Bailey. Now we have to do Ben versus Whiff and Winston. Yeah, I took away Winston from Percy. Yeah, Ben, of course he would. Has he ever gone eliminated before? We got Ben. Whiff stays for the next round. And now we got Emily that actually might not fall off the track. We also got Old Thomas. And we got Emily staying. Well, Old Thomas is eliminated. Now the new ones that are eliminated are Ben and Thomas. Now we got Splatter and Fearless Freddy. Both being on the last two contestants on Team Purplewood. Before they both lost. And Fearless Freddy is out. That's surprising. Of being eliminated in the first. Next Splatter goes on. Now we got Douglas versus Donald. Has Donald ever won over his speed? Douglas is still kind of... And Douglas is eliminated? Yeah, Douglas is somehow eliminated in the first. And Donald stays down. And then we got Toby in the clown cars versus, you guessed it, Toby. And Toby in the clown cars is eliminated? Dang. Thought Toby in the clown cars would win. But no, he is out on the first Hounds team. Now we're in the second round. With the last contestants being 8 of them. There is Scarlowy and Rusty, Bill and Whiff, Emily and Splatter, and Donald and Toby. Let's start with Scarlowy and Rusty, the ones that have fighted before. That could be their downfall. Downfall by Scarlowy once again. And here's gonna put Rusty's actually going on. He's trying to win. Rusty is actually hanging on. Rusty is eliminated. And Scarlowy stays. Of course he would. He has stayed thousands of times before. Now we got Bill and Whiff. This is eliminated. Goodbye, one. The top of hat. Lift is gone too. And I've decided Lift to be the one holding Winston because of them being together. Well, of all legends, Star Top of Hat chooses in Rusty Island Rescue. He chooses with really a trash engine that was appeared back in. Now we got Emily Splatter. Emily is gone in the third round, while Emily stays gone once again. How does Emily keep losing? And now we finally got Donald and Toby. Two that have appeared once in a while. Donald is actually doing it. He's pushing up. He's pushing away from his side. And Toby is not moving at all. We should move it over down. And Toby is about to be eliminated, and Toby is. No, Donald who first, the one that actually fell off the end of the sack was Toby. So Toby is eliminated. Oh, Rusty, the final four: Scarloey, Bill, Splatter, and Donald. The only one on the team that has never won a challenge is Splatter and Donald. Scarloey and Bill have won the past one, so let's see if the winners can win. Scarloey versus Bill. Who can go on to the last round? And Scarloey is getting pushed by Bill, but Scarloey's kind of pushing back. But no, I'm not going down. I'm not going down. No. Scarloey out. So Bill stays while Scarloey is no more. Sorry, Scarloey, you're out. Now we got Splatter versus Donald. Two that have appeared during the same. I got Splatter during August. I got Donald during September. 1 month away from each other. Donald is bouncing around that Splatter. Splatter is eliminated. Sorry, Splatter, you're out. Now we're down to two. One from Team Yellow and one from Team Black. We got Bill versus Donald. And let's see, two from the same season, season 2, can win. I hope it's Donald. Don't get mad at many of my episodes that you have picked. Guys, help me get to 70 subscribers. lagging. Joe is about, and Donald is the winner! Yay! Of all the engines, Donald has won it all. Sorry, Joe, your truck is. See you guys. Bye. Let's let him do one run on the track.